my domain. So I'm browsing my domain now. So it's going to prompt me to the installation wizard, and I'm going to say okay. Let's say I click on agree and next step. So we're going to grant some permission. So the first permission says we have to enter into our core. When we're in our core, we need to enter into Bootstrap, and we need to get to Cage and change the permission to what 0775. Currently is on 0755. So come right here to your file manager. This is the one we're operating on, and you enter into core. You go into Bootstrap, and this is Cage. So you're going to change the permission to what 775. So this is how you work on your PHP script. So let's click on go back. So the next one was storage. I saw that storage ordinarily we have to change this to 775, and we need to enter into the storage. So we need to change the app to 775. I'm going to show you guys, so there's no need for the debugger. We need to change this also to 775. We need to also change this to what 775. That is what it's told us to do. So if you go back right here, you're going to see that I've actually done all of those. So we have core storage to be changed to 775 permission, then app under storage 775, framework under storage 775, log under storage 775. So let's recheck and see if we've passed everything. So all requirements are checked passed, so we can go ahead to the next step.